welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna do a bake with me. We're making these pumpkin cheesecake thumbprint cookies, which of course I will leave the recipe linked down below. I hope they come out good, but I'm just gonna film what I'm doing. Again, the recipe is down below, but we start with getting all the dry ingredients in a bowl, and then the wet ingredients, mix those, and then we'll move to putting everything in the oven. Let's get started on making these cookies. Okay, so for the filling, I'm gonna do this while it's in the oven because you gotta wait for the cookies to completely cool before we fill them anyway, but I can put this back in the fridge. So you have butter and cream cheese, which have been softened and brought to room temperature. We're gonna mix this, add vanilla and powdered sugar. So the last step here is to put this into a pastry bag, which I don't have, so we're gonna use the block. Okay, the cookies are done. Let's see what they taste like. So it's kind of like a less moist pumpkin bread, and then you filled it with cream cheese. They are very good. That was worth making, and I will probably make those once again because they're that good. Anyway, that was my fall bake with me today. I hope you enjoyed coming along and watching me bake, and as always, I hope everyone has a blessed day.